How to fix missing emojis on Instagram. Hi, for today we're back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to fix missing emojis on Instagram. So first is you have to make sure that your Instagram application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and type in Instagram. And as you can see, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now, as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Instagram application is updated. So if your application is already updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So let's go back to our home page and click on Instagram, and you will be directed here to your Instagram homepage. And all you have to do is to go to your profile, and then on the upper right you will see three dash lines. You click on that and then go to settings. Now under settings you go to help, and then you have to report a problem. Now click on report a problem, and then you could briefly explain what happened or what's not working. For example, you could put there that you have missing emojis on Instagram, and if you're done, you could submit it to them and wait for around 48 hours. You could wait around 48 hours for the Instagram to reply or fix your problem. And basically that is how you fix your missing emojis on Instagram. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.